more nourishment. Growing children 1-year-old onwards need new Nestlac, the growing up milk. As your child's nutritional demands increase, she'll need more protein for growth, more calcium for strong bones and teeth, more iron for healthy blood, more vitamins and minerals for increased resistance against infections. And one excellent source of all these is new Nestlac, the growing up milk.
O sige po, tutulungan ko kayo. Oo nga pala, pinapaalala po sa lahat na tuwing Miyerkules, araw ng libreng bakuna laban sa tigkas sa inyong mga health center. Kaya tandaan, dalhin ang inyong mga baby para mapabakunahan na.
Iligtas si baby sa tigkas. Papakunahan siya.
I like your hefty appetite. You make me feel like eating too. You make me smile with every bite. I like the stride in you. You like the sizzle in your food. With all the goodness coming through. Now you're really in the mood. I like the stride in you.
For a hearty meal, hot fruit, clean Sprite, clearly a winning combination.
I like the stride in you.
Hanabishi presents the Hanabishi Electric Rice Cooker. Fashionable outside, loaded with features inside, like its unique 3-way heating system and ultramagnetic sealing lid for faster, fluffier, tastier rice. Also ideal for boiling, steaming, even pressure cooking. The new Hanabishi Electric Rice Cooker, your do-it-all cooker.
This week in Friday the 13th series.
Mirrors that have reflected occult ceremonies become windows into the realms of darkness.
Realms of darkness.
It's a dimension between here and hell.
Brian, get out of there!
This has somehow opened the doorway.
Doorway. To hell? Friday the 13th series on New Vision 9, Friday night at 9.
Kraft Cheddar has more milk than cheese food. Each slice of Kraft has a glass of milk. That's more vitamins, calcium, and protein. For your child, Kraft Cheddar, a glass of milk in every slice. It's better than cheese food. Once there was a woman who lived in a shoe. She had so many children, and she knew what to do. Come and get it! Love it, Mom? Ang bango nito? Oo nga, presko, parang yung puting lola sa probinsya. Oo nga, sarap dun.
Ngayon, ang preskong pangtulog ng araw sa bagong bulat nasa Daibar na. Bagong Sunbleach Fresh Fragrance ng Daibar.
Ito rin, mabango. Preskong presko.
Bagong Sunbleach Fresh Fragrance. Preskong pangtulog ng araw nasa Daibar na. New Sunbleach Fresh Fragrance. Now, have hot water anytime with the Electric Airpot by Hanabishi. Specially designed for your utmost convenience with the exclusive water content indicator, safer silicone rubber, and the built-in heat exhaust. So, for hot water anytime you need it,